Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making the Bluetooth hidden or visible on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When your Bluetooth is hidden, new devices will not be able to see it, and therefore will not be able to connect to it, whereas when it is visible, anyone can connect to it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the System settings and tap Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth settings, tap Visibility. You can now choose between visible and hidden. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.